everyone, welcome back to Salmon and Cod Playtime. I want to show you something a little new today. If you had 2 points on a graph and you wanted to know how far extra the cat had to go to get to this point and how far extra our little birdie here had to fly to get to this point, from this point, there's a very easy way to do that. Can I show that to you today? It's so easy. What you want to do is you want to find your biggest point, which is normally the one that's the farthest over, the farthest that the cat would have ran, and the farthest up that the birdie would have flown. That's your biggest point, okay? When that cat does extra work and the birdie does extra work, that one's going to be the biggest, okay? So for this one, if I can move little bird because he's sitting on our number, the kitty cat number is going to be 6 because kitty cat ran all the way this way to chase that little birdie and he stopped at the 6. And we know that because we can go straight down and we're at a 6. So the kitty cat number, remember the X looks like kitty cat whiskers. The kitty cat went, what did I just say, 6. We're going to put a 6 right there. Now, little birdie, how far up did little birdie go? He went 1, 2, 3, 4. Little birdie flew 4 spaces all the way up. And he's on the 4 line because it's marked with a 4 over here if you go straight across. So our birdie number is going to be a 4. Okay, and it's going to look like that. Now, if you want the distance between these two, you also have to put this number on here. How far did the cat go to get to here? Well, he went 1, 2. He went 2 spaces. So we're going to put a 2 down here, down below, just right below. These are our 2 cat numbers. Now we got to put our 2 bird numbers. So little birdie had to fly up 1, 2. He had to fly up 2 spaces to get away from that cat. Why are you chasing me? So our Y number, whoops, little birdie fell. Be very kind to little birdie here. Little birdie number is going to be a 2. Okay? Now, what we're trying to find is the difference between this number and this number. And when you want to find the difference between 2 numbers, you have to subtract. Because you want to find out what is the space between them. So we're going to subtract, okay? We're going to find the Y numbers first. So let's do 4 minus 2. What is 4 minus 2? I know you know this already, but let's get our bears out here. We had 4 things. 1, 2, 3, 4. We had 4 things, and we took 2 of those away. How much is left? 2. There's only 2 bears left. Very good. Okay, I hope that you can see this down here. I'm trying to write it so you can see it. Oh, and you can't see it. Oh, if I angle it, there you go. You can see my 2. Okay? We're going to write that 2 right up here just so that you can see it better. Okay? All right, now we got to do the X numbers. 6 minus 2. Well, if we had 6 bears, we've already got 4 of them up here. Let's put all of our bears up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we take away 2. Sorry, bears. You got to go. We take away 2 bears. How many bears does that leave us? That left us 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So we're going to put a 4 down here. We're going to put a 4 right here so that you can see it better. This number right here, that is the difference. That's how far over little cat had to go and how far little bird had to go from here to here. Now let's test it. Let's see if we did it right. If little cat started right here and he went 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, that's right. And then little bird flew up 2 spaces from right here. 1, 2. That got us to our other little point. It got us to this point right here. And that's the difference between these 2 points. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spaces going that way, and it's 2 spaces going up. And that's how you get that number. All right, you guys did super great. Don't forget that if you took a line and you drew a line through these 2 points right here, and that line kept going I'm sorry, Max. Can I move you for a minute? We love Max, but Max has got to move for just a second. If this line continued going, it would tell us what the next point on our line would be. Should we test it real quick? Should we see what the next point would be? I think we should. Let me get another little friend here because I'm out of friends. Here we go. If we went over 4 more, if Cat ran 4 more spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, and if little Birdie flew up 2 more spaces, 1, 2, yep, that's the point we were at right here. If I could get my sticks to line up, that would be the next point on our line. Now, if we kept going, we could go over 4 more if this chart kept going, and we could go up 2 more. And look, that would put us right here on this line. We could put another friend right there. If I can hold that spot. Let me get another friend down here. All right. We could put little friend right there. And as you can tell, we can keep going. We can keep going with this pattern because it forms a pattern. And we could see where the next friend on this line would be. Good job, everyone. I am so proud of you. We will come back and practice some more, but you're doing great. You are so good at this. All right. We will see you all next time. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're Salmon and Cod Playtime. Thanks for playing with us.